Hey, what's up guys, it's Doodle Clubhouse, and in this episode we're going to draw a slice of watermelon. So we're going to start out with this point, two lines creating a point, then a curved line connecting at the bottom. We're going to draw two lines coming off of the side of it, and then we're going to connect with a straight line. We're going to draw another curved line right at the bottom. And then another curved line connecting all the way over to this side. Now we can add some seeds, some little black seeds, just like that. And we're going to add 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're going to add 3 on the side. 1, 2, and 3. And one more little line right on the side here, and we have our outline. So let's go ahead and color it in.